Hi students, how are you? Hello friends, I hope you all are fine and I hope you all are enjoying my previous session. Today I am going to take a new more session. Okay, let us start new session. Come on. Dear students, we have completed up to second para. Now we will look into the third para. What happens? We will see here. Look into third para. And did you cut down the sweet things as I told you? So here Mr. Harriet is asking for the Mr. Spampre, that is, so whatever the instructions I have given to you, what are the things you should not give for the tricky, that all did you follow? So then the Pampre will reply, that is, oh, I did for a bit, but I seem to be so weak, I had to relent. So then Pampre is telling that is, yes, I followed your instructions, I did for a bit, after that I couldn't. Why? Because the tricky was looking so weak, so for that reason again I have given everything for the tricky to eat. And in that especially, it does love cream cakes and chocolates. So in that especially tricky loves so much chocolates and cream cakes. For that reason the Pampre has given more chocolates and cream cakes for the tricky. I can't bear to refuse him. See, again the Pampre is telling that is, so she can't bear to refuse him because she loves so much for the tricky, and whatever the tricky wants to eat, so for that reason she has given everything for the tricky. I looked down again at the little dog. See, after listening everything from the Mr. Pampre, Mr. Harriet has looked towards the dog. Then he become very shocked. Why? Because that was a trouble. See, by looking at the tricky, the Mr. Harriet is telling that is the tricky is in a trouble. So what was the reason for the trouble? The Mr. Harriet will tell here. Tricky's only fault was greed. See here, Mr. Harriet is telling that this Tricky's only fault. Fault means what? Mistake. So what Tricky's mistake? That is greed. Greed means what here? More desirable. More desirable means what? Yes, a few people will be there. So whatever the things they were having with them, so still more they want. So like that only here, Tricky also how much it had also again it want more. If they need time, if you give anything again, it is to he. By continuing, Mr. Harriet is telling that is he had never been known to refuse food. See again Mr. Harriet is telling here that Tricky never been refused the food. He never refused the food at all. So whenever you give, it is to eat, that much of greedy Tricky it is. And again you will continue. He would tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night. See here you would tackle means what here? Able to manage. So here Mr. Harriet is telling that this Tricky would tackle. Tricky is able to manage food any hour of the day. If you give any hour of the day, any time of the day, it is to eat and it is to manage itself. And I wondered about all the things Mr. Spampre hadn't mentioned. See at the lastly, the Mr. Harriet is telling that is showing his disappointment towards the Mr. Spampre. That is what are the things she has hidden from him. Because Mr. Harriet has suggested to the Mr. Spampre do not give sweet thing for the Tricky, but she has given and she has hidden these things all from the Mr. Harriet. For that reason he has disappointment. By continuing, Mr. Harriet, are you giving him a plenty of exercise? See here, Harriet is asking for the Pampre, that is whether are you giving him a more exercise or not for the Tricky. So then Pampre will reply that is, well, he has his little walks with me as you can see. So then Pampre says that is, yes, we are giving exercise for him, and again you can see right now we are taking walking for the Tricky. Again she will continue. But Harkin, the gardener, has been down with lumbago, so there has been no ring throwing lately. So again she will continue to tell it the Harkin. Who is Harkin here? Harkin is the gardener in Pampre's house who used to take care of the Tricky and who used to take Tricky for the playing purposes. What they will to play? They used to play ring throwing with the Tricky. So but right now Harkin is suffering from the lumbago. Lumbago means what here? Muscular pain in the lower back. So for that reason now Harkin is not able to play with the Tricky. So it means what? The Tricky is not having much more exercises apart from only walking with the Pampre.